then a boy who keeps messing up the song.
Alam yung Runaway?
Oo nga, no?
Wala akong grabe. And then baby.
First time I knew that was me. 3 times. And then he showed up.
Meron akong bagong song na gagawin. Meron bagong song.
Thank you po. Ito nga, Madi. Hindi mo ginagamit yung piano sa bahay nila Lola. Hindi na kita naririnig mag-drums. Hindi ka nagwawala doon. Di ba, Jaya, may drums ka rin maliit? Si Kuya Derek may malaking drums. Hindi ang tawag dyan, bebe, sustain. Ka tinatapakan yan.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
Punta na kami sa park.
Dali, iiwan na tayo. Wait lang. Bye-bye guys.